Hello, in this video I want to show you how to install and join Google Classroom on a Black Shark 5. So in order to do this, let's start with opening Google Play Store. Next is to search for an app, and here we want to enter Google Classroom. So click on the search button, now select this app and install it. After installation process is complete, you should be able to open this app. Click on Get Started, choose the account you want to use, and then OK. Now click on the plus button, join the class, enter the class code, which you should be provided with, and after doing so, click on the Join. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.